we're almost to Summit Racing. We gotta go to the park for the crankshaft so we can turn it over.
Turn right into the parking lot. You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
We'll park it. Let's park it here. Let's check it out.
Man, look at that store. That banner. Like the Lightning McQueen. You got a whole setup right there. What you get? Well, I don't have to place on there. We got heads. Valve covers. All neat stuff. Damn, look at these hood hinges. These are like 1600. I've seen them online. I was gonna get them for the 63, but I was like, nah. Here's all these starters. Damn. I think I have this one already, but I'm not gonna install it yet. All right, where you at? I guess for the pricing, you gotta just do the QR code. Let's go after. I'm gonna ask somebody about this. I also have one of those horns. I need a crankshaft adapter. Let's go ask customer service. Get this one, though.